The beep test in Brisbane will be conducted at Bracken Ridge Fire Station. Candidates need to be well aware that Bracken Ridge Fire Station is an operational fire station. There are two parts to Bracken Ridge Fire Station, the front operational building and then the rear testing shed. Candidates are permitted to park on fire station grounds all the way up into the rear shed if required. Once a candidate is parked, they have to proceed up to the rear shed, follow the signage to be able to enter into the shed via the side door. Once they enter in through the side door, there'll be a table on the left-hand side with talent acquisition. Candidates are then required to sign in and register and then take their seat ready for their briefing.